Hey everyone, it's Sashee, and today I want to show you how to make a very decadent treat. We're gonna make a chocolate strawberry milk tea with boba. I'm gonna have a separate cup where I'm gonna prepare the actual strawberry shortcake tea drop. So you're gonna add the tea drop in, pour about 4 ounces of hot water, and stir that. And then you let that rest. After that, spread some dark chocolate syrup along the sides of the cup. Kind of just pour along the sides as much chocolate syrup as you want. We're gonna also create some froth milk. So you take your milk of choice. I'm gonna add about 4 to 6 ounces of milk. And I have a hand frother here and froth that for about 10 to 15 seconds. So the first thing I'm gonna do is mix the hot strawberry shortcake tea with ice. So I'm gonna add some ice first and then pour some of the tea over it. And then you're gonna mix it with the ice. The next step is you're gonna add your frothed milk. It's looking great, looking very chocolatey. Next up, I'm gonna add my boba, and you can add as much boba as you want. I'm gonna add 2 generous tablespoons. The boba pack takes about 20 to 25 minutes to prepare. After that, you can garnish your cup with some whipped cream. So you can make your own whipped cream. We just bought this from the store. It makes a really nice decadent top, and then you can sprinkle some chocolate syrup. So great for a dessert, but very decadent and fun for the summer.